Eileen, you bid $10,000 on your showcase, and the actual retail price is $11,337, a difference of $1,337. Good bid. And you must be closer without going over. Your bid is $8,500, and the actual retail price of your showcase is $8,650. You win with a difference of only $150. Boy, you have won more than $19,000. Congratulations. Yeah. Now, this is Bob Barker saying once again, thank you, Mark Goodson, for that generous contribution to the Fun for Animals. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Goodson television production.